But, oh, we're going to do create love. Hi, it's Junk Journaling Jen, and today's not your average video. So, it is, I know it looks nice here, right? But my desk and my whole area, it's really dusty and messy in here. I make most of my stuff in the other room, and then I do some things in here in my craft room on film. So I thought I would bring you guys along, and we're gonna clean our desk and chit chat. Okay, so these are from my grandma. I had dropped them on the floor, and they have, how I dropped them on the floor, I have no idea. I don't know what I was doing with them, but they go in this little stand. It is so dusty in here. Isn't that cute? Little gardening. My grandma has had these forever. And so now they're in my office. Okay, so I'm going to show you my madness. I am going to be going into the next film here pretty quick, but I wanted to clear off my desk. So it just has tchotchke stuff. We're got the green coming for March, and this is our challenge. So I am going to remove some of these rocks, and I know they need to go onto the website. So I'm gonna do my best to get all these loaded onto the site. I think a lot of them are on there. I don't know if you guys like any of them, but oh, we're gonna do create love. We're gonna put this one away for now. Oh, I have another one over here. Favored. And oh, we're gonna put inspire on there. And then I always keep my two big rocks on my desk because, you know, I know everyone loves this rock, and this rock is messed up. It was a great rock color and everything, but it's how it sits, it sits super wonky. So you have to like set it against something. And then this one, I wish I could find more rocks this color. Maybe someday. So, anyways, praise Jesus. Those are the two. Those are my two. All right, so at least I got some stuff off of here. There's that. We're gonna take that down, and then we're gonna that instrument here. Okay, and let's see what else. I think we're gonna get rid of I know this wasn't really seen, but I'm gonna just do a quick change. Quick change here. So what can we do, guys? Look at all this junk. I don't know if you guys can see. See all that? I gotta clean all that. So for now, I'm gonna take this out of the way. And I'm gonna come right back with our new something. We actually might go back to something old school for a minute, just for today's, what we're gonna be doing, okay? Okay, so continuing to clean up. I will be dusting soon here. You can see all the dust. Oh, it's terrible. Terrible, I tell you. All right, so where's my duster? Here it is. Okay. Oops. Sorry to knock you guys. So dust. real quick. Okay. What we got up here? Armor of God. Some more tea bags. That was from a while ago. I'm actually going to be using some of those again, I think, this week. I'm going to put all of our trims on here real quick. Little rock. Put that over there. Okay, let's keep dusting. Our inks. I love my little ink box. What is this? Oh, this is going to be our coin. I got to make sure not to lose that. Okay, here we go. Where else do we need to dust? And I do have a blower. I haven't done my keepsake stuff in a while. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is bad. And my husband just vacuumed in here for me really good. Ooh, I found a flower. Guys, there's stuff in here we haven't used. Metal rust set. Rust effect paste. Ooh, I'm gonna look this up. Okay. All right. A couple more stickers or things here. Okay, that's Betta. This cute little bottle. I love this little stuff. Okay, we got our desk, right, guys? Our little scissors, our coffee, our candle putter outer. Now this is for the next giveaway. I was going to use it for my very first giveaway, but this next giveaway is going to be super special. I'm getting ready to announce it. I'll put it on my channel update. So I'm excited. So we're going to actually put that there. Where are we going to put this? Hold on. Let's rearrange some stuff. Look at all the stuff I got up here, guys. I got to fill that with Post-its. That was for paint. Ooh, you guys. This feels good to get this done. Get it out of my hair. Okay, so giveaway jar is here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Giveaway jar is there now. Love it. We're going to do... So I just have to move the little purse. I'll put Post-its back in there. Okay. These cans kind of scare me because they always sound like they're going to explode. Ooh. Okay. So we got, I feel like there's stuff flying everywhere, guys. Hopefully you can't see it all in the camera. There we go. You can still hear that can hissing. Okay, these are my scissors. Okay, so hold on. Pull all this back. I'm gonna take that with me to read it and look it up and all that good stuff. So this week, we are going to use this one. We're just gonna keep it really easy this next round. What do you guys think? Oops. What do you think? I think that's going to work, people. Put that back. That. We'll put our praise back here. Put Jesus over here. I'm gonna need, I think I'm gonna have to use this to keep it up. Yep. Okay. Love this little bottle. Isn't it cute? these little things. So we're gonna go create love. To the spill bottle. Nope, that one won't work. Create love. What do we think? We like it? It's the pearl bracelet from Lorraine. Oh, we'll do that. It's cute. I don't know if you'll see it. Coffee. Okay, let's get to our normal angle now and see what we got. Yeah? Oh, it's gonna be nice. That'll be our normal angle. That'll be nice and clean. Nice and clean. Okay, inks. Let's do that. Nice. And then we got coffee over here. And I just like this paper clip. I just really do. So that's gonna go there. And let's see. These are gonna go on journals, so I need to go put them over there. This was the pink off of my bracelet. And we're going to keep this wedding piece here. And there's my new gold. I might paint more gold on my desk, period. We'll see. All right, guys. So what do we think of the setup? I like it. Nice and clean. Oops. Oh no. So let's go like this. And we'll put this here. Because next video we're doing is collage. All right, cool. So that'll go. I'll grab one of those. Okay, so this is coming out. That's coming out. And the only other thing that I am bringing into the mix this round is here. Yep. There. All right, so that is the cleanup for the next video. So that's how I do it. Keeping a little of the same, switched off the back. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video and go watch the kit. And they should be on my website. And if they're gone, look for the next kit because there's 2 more coming out, okay? I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.